Today is about giving people the chance to come together and share their experience of improving public services in Wales. This conference is different because it's led and organised by the practitioners themselves. So the people who are delivering public services are organising this conference to help them in their work. The key message is the opportunity that exists to improve public services in Wales, and particularly to enable people to take responsibility for their own improvement in their own services.
This conference is perfect, isn't it? It brings together like-minded people that are passionate about driving continuous improvement for our communities. And it brings us together to share good practice, to learn from what we're also doing, but also to share our positivity as a group of like-minded people.
This conference brings together a community of practice from various different communities. So we have fire and rescue, social services, councils, local government and central government, and it's a great venue for exchanging best practice, exchanging ideas and debating what is common across the way in which we deliver services to patients, to citizens, to the community. So it's a great and vibrant area to work in. It's a great exchange of ideas. The takeaway and the item that hopefully people will pick up on that aren't here is to build resilient systems. So at the moment we've taken a lot of improvement methods and we've improved quality, but often we've forgotten the safety of the system, and this is the era now really of the safety case. So just like aircraft, we have a license to run aircraft. We don't actually have a safety case for things like hospitals, local councils and other activities we do. So we've almost got to return back to safety to rebuild robust processes that deliver citizen and patient value.
The one key message that I would like delegates to take away is to remember that we're all just custodians of the public services here in Wales, and we'll all have a memory within the public services, and let's have a positive memory when people reflect on a job that we've done.